Here on display is the GWS 5-ton Premier ratchet strap set. This is our number one ratchet. They're for heavy, constant use. Has a very hard-wearing 5-ton rated webbing. They're manufactured in the UK. It's got very good quality handle. Got a metal handle. Quality cog system and very smooth action to the ratchet. Very neat locking system there, which holds it tight. We also have the long handle ergo ratchets. As you can see the length of the handle, but the main difference with these is the reverse action. So these were what's called the pull down handle version. These are ideal for bad back sufferers. They are the same Premier range. They come with a roll handle for comfort. They also have a twin cog system there to help with and prevent any slipping. As you can see by the action, these are a pull-down version. So as you can see, they're ideal for hay or straw bales. In the 5-ton rated ratchet strap range, we have 3 types of hook on display here. We have the single claw, which is the most common hook. We also have the D-ring, and we have what's called the open claw. There's the 3 types in the range, with the single claw being the most popular. They're all 5-ton rated, 50mm webbing. Here we have the 5-ton rated standard ratchet strap sets. These come boxed as 10 sets per box, available in 5 sizes. So here we have what's called the 10-ton mighty ratchet strap set. This is quality in every area. Has a 75mm thick orange webbing. As you can see, it's got all metal double handle hole here. It's got a very heavy duty locking mechanism, and it has the twin cogs, which helps for anti-slip. Here we have the 100-metre length of 50mm webbing. This is the same webbing we use on the ratchet straps. It has multi-uses. You can use it with any 5-ton rated ratchet strap, such as this. Ideal for temporary fencing or for holding up hay and bale straw stacks. It can be cut to length, so you could have a ratchet on the front and a ratchet on the back. So here on display we have the full ratchet strap range available. First off, we have the 10-ton mighty ratchet sets. These are available in 3 sizes as a set. So you have the 4-metre, 7-metre and 10-metre, 75mm webbing. Here we have the GWS Premier ratchet straps in 5-ton. So you have the long handle version there, which is the pull down ratchet, and you have the common 5-ton rated ratchet strap. Moving on to the bulk buy ratchet strap. So you got the 5-ton rated ratchet. It comes complete with the strap end, and those are boxed 10 in 10s, and you have 5 sizes you start with 4 metre, 6 metre, 8 metre, 10 metre, and then a 12 metre. Then we have the 800 kg ratchets. So these are 25mm webbing. So for light use,